So this is going to be an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 10 46mm titanium in polished gold. I've got a watch strap company of London gold Milanese loop, which I've looked at as well, and Strap It gold link bracelet. This is what I'm changing from. Well, not changing, I'm going to be keeping this. It's the original Apple Watch Ultra with a V2 titanium strap from London watch strap company, which has been very good. So let's have a look at the watch then. I waited a long time for this. I ordered it on September the 11th and it just arrived today. So the design of this box has been like this for years now. So you get the outer covering and then you get a box with a watch in and a watch with the included strap. So this is the Starlight version, which won't be going on the watch. Because the idea of the watch is I'm just going to use this Series 10 for when I go out and when I'm sleeping at night for the sleep apnea function, just to check. And then during the day when I need something more rugged, I'm going to be using the Titanium Ultra with the titanium strap. So at night, I'm going to put the Milanese loop on because that's more comfortable. I've had that before in the past on other watches. And then when I'm out, I'm going to use the link bracelet, which is not going to be that often. So that's the Starlight. Very similar to other straps that Apple do. Put that off to one side. Let's have a look at the watch. So, what do we have in the box? That seems fairly hefty. Oh, it's a new watch charger, isn't it? I forgot this came included. So, USB-C, braided cable. And I'm going to have to get a stand for this because I don't like putting them flat on the desk. I've 3D printed 2 watch stands before for the chargers and they work really well. Don't take too long at all on a 3D printer. Put that to one side. Then we have just the regulatory frame, but can't talk. Regulatory. Yeah. The laws that govern Apple when they're building things. Not a lot interested in that. So this is the watch, 46mm, Apple Link, 1 Apple Partway, Cupertino. Yeah, I've just read that up now. So this is the Apple Watch. I won't be able to show you syncing it up because I'm using my phone to film this. Eventually I'm going to get some better equipment for this because the lighting's a bit poor. I'm getting shadows from everything. But I'm just starting off, so it's going to take a while. It's quite a nice gold colour, that. I'm not sure if the 2 straps that I've got are a good match for this. But we'll see soon. So I'll just put that to one side. Now this one, I haven't had a look at this because I wanted to size it to save some time on the video. So I've sized it to the Apple Watch Ultra. So it might not be perfect for the Apple Watch 10. because they're slightly different sizes. So this is what it looks like in the packet. So when I tried it in the Apple Watch Ultra, it wasn't a very good fit. And I don't know if you can see there, it's actually scratched the gold off there. So I don't know how long living this is going to be before it's covered in scratches. The titanium, I've had this since I got the Ultra Watch. And there's no scratches on it, just a couple of marks here. But when I'm on the computer, which is what I'm on mostly during the day, I'm rubbing it on the desk. So I do expect that to get scratched up. So I'm expecting this to scratch up. That's why I'm only going to be wearing this when I'm out, not when I'm working. It does look quite nice though. It's very much in the Apple style. The only difference between this and the Apple bracelet is how you remove the links. So that's that one, strap it. And then I have this one, Watch Strap Company of London. These are really nicely packaged. So we've got 2 boxes here. I think this is just a spacer for this one. Yeah. This is, normally I think they have the tooling for adjusting the bracelets when they have those holes in, like the link brace I just showed you. But this one doesn't. So that's just in so this doesn't rattle about. Yeah, so you can see this was shipped on the 11th of September. So I've been waiting quite a while. Put that over there. So this, I'm expecting good things from this. They are a good strap company. I like the designs. So this is a travel case as well. So I did buy the stainless steel original Apple Watch when they first came out. So I suppose that would be what, 2014-ish? And I got that with the Milanese loop. So that's why I know how comfortable they are. Remove this. Just let it go. I don't know if you can see the little Watch Strap Company logo on the magnetic bit. There we go. So it's threaded through a piece of plastic. Interesting. Let's make these bits out of the way. So as I said earlier, I'm shooting this with my phone. It's the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it has a useful feature now. It's got a pause function. So when I've got these on, I'll pause the video and I'll go and set the watch up. Then you can look at the watch setup, because there's a nice watch face that they demonstrated at the launch event that I want to use. I think it'll go well with the Go watch and the Go strap. So let's see how easily these fit on. Actually, do you know something? This is not the gold version. I'm sure this is not gold, you know. Do you think that's gold? Meant to be. How strange. Let's have a look. Let's put that up. Gold. No, that's not gold. So, this goes on this way. It's a nice fit. Let's take this off. It is a really nice fit. No, it is actually gold. It was just the lighting in here. I just went out then and got some better lighting on it. And it is gold. Yeah, I like this one. This is going to be very comfortable when I've got it on at night. So let's try the other one now. Now, as I said before, I tried that one. This one on the Apple Watch Ultra, and the fit wasn't as good. Not as good as this. So let's remove this one. It's always better to take these out in stages. Doesn't matter too much with these because it's flexible, but with the Link bracelet, if you don't take them on and off in stages, you're not going to get them on. Oh, nice fit. And I just did what I told you can do. Only put it on halfway. Back it off a bit, because there is very little movement in these, and then you can snap them both in. That does look like a nice dress watch now. Yeah, there can't be that much difference between the Ultra and this because the fitting's about the same. Very nice. So this again is like this titanium one. Very much looks like the Apple Watch Link bracelet. It's just quite a few £100 cheaper and good quality. So what I'll do, I'll go off and I'll set this up. Right, it's all paired up to my phone now. I did think this watch face would look nice on the watch, and it does. And the watch is definitely gold. So it does look like a nice dress watch. So I'll give you the prices and I'll drop links in the description of where I got them from. It's not a sponsor video and they're not even affiliate links. So I don't get anything if you click on those links. But unfortunately, because I'm not an affiliate, you don't get a discount code either. So this one, the Link bracelet, is from Strap It. And this one cost me £46. The Milanese loop is from the Watch Strap Company. And that one cost me £55. And then, whoops. The Titan V2 Titanium, which is on the Ultra, cost me £36, but I think it's gone up to £39. Excuse me. I think it's gone up to £39.99. And the only thing that I've missed on this video is this. I think this charge is uprated because now they charge much faster from 0 to 80%. So this is an uprated watch charger. So, let me know if you think this one is nice or whether you prefer the Milanese loop in gold. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Or if you want me to do an in-depth comparison between the Watch Series 10 and the Apple Watch Ultra. So just drop yeah, let me know in the comments and I can sort that out. I'm running beta version 11.1 on my phone and on the watches, so that might make a difference when I'm doing a comparison. But I can point all that out, what the differences are between the beta version and the normal version 11, which is out now. Well, thanks for watching, and like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you like the channel. If you don't subscribe. That'd be just silly, wouldn't it? Okay, see you next time.